In today's video, I'll be demonstrating a program that explains generics. This program will demonstrate how to use a generic class to accept any data type, whether an int or a double or a short, and then multiply those two numbers. So the program will take two numbers from a user and then multiply them and give the user back the product. So first thing I want to do is extend t from the number class, because we only can multiply numbers. Then I'm going to create two variables for the user to input and to store the value of whatever the user input, and the data type is going to be of t. Same thing for the second number, call number 2. Then I'm going to go ahead to my constructor, which will take two parameters of the same type of t meaning whatever data type the user entered or we want to use. That's a subclass of number, and n2. Then now we're going to say num1 is equal to n1 and num2 is equal to n2. Then now we can set a basic method called, say, public first. Public is going to return a double, and call it get. Let's call it get product since we're multiplying. Then now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to say num1 to num value, because all of these data types can be converted to a double. So we're going to convert them to a double and then multiply them and return that value. Num2 double value, and boom, we've got to return it. Then now we can go ahead and go into our main method for this class, or for the program. And one more thing I forgot to do was, well, here I have it, I have my import class up here. I can go ahead and create my scanner called input. Then we're going to initialize the class system in. Then I'm going to create two variables, or I'm going to use doubles. Num1 and num2. I'm going to prompt the user to enter a number for both. So we're going to enter your first number, num1 equal input next double. Copy this. Num2. Then now we're just gonna create an instance of my of this class and say j2 the interview. We're gonna call it int multiply. And before that I need to put in angle brackets a wildcard that extends number. Then now we're gonna say new is, we're gonna pass in for the constructor num1 and num2. Then now we're gonna say out int multiply that set product, or get product rather. And inside this class I wanna print out a statement, print out the value of num1 times x. So num1 plus num2. You know, that should return the product of the two numbers that I entered. First number I entered is 5 and 5 again, and then we have it 25. Now, if I were to convert these to shorts, as you can see, it works the same. And I do the same thing for a double. Well, there are the doubles, but there are doubles. Could do integer and so forth. But there we have it.